Why you should never give up. 1. As long as you are alive, anything is possible. The only valid reason you can give up is your death. As long as you are alive, healthy and free, you have the choice to keep trying until you finally succeed. 2. Be realistic. The probability of mastering something the first time is very small. Everything takes time to learn and you will make mistakes. Learn from them. 3. You are strong. You are stronger than you think. One small failure is not enough to stop you from achieving your success. 10, 100, and 1,000 failures will also not be enough. 4. Show yourself. If you don't want to be known like someone else, then that's a weakness, and it means you're giving up. Go out and show yourself to the rest of the world, as well as to yourself. You can and will achieve what you set out to do. You will only fail when you give up. 5. Has this been done before? If someone else could do it, then you can too. Even if only one person in the world has managed to achieve what you desire, this should be reason enough for you to never give up. 6. Believe in your dreams. Don't betray yourself. There are many people in life who tell you that you want to achieve the impossible. Don't let anyone ruin your dreams. 7. Your family and friends. Let the people you love be your inspiration to keep pushing forward. You may need to try to look from a different point of view, study more, practice more, but never give up. 8. There are people worse off than you. There are many people right now who are in a worse situation and in worse environmental conditions than you are right now. Would you like to give up running 5 kilometers? Think of people who can't even walk, and how much they would be willing to pay to be able to run 5 miles every day. 9. Improve our world. When you achieve everything you set out to achieve, you can use your success to make a difference in the world or in the lives of individuals. 10. You deserve happiness. Never let anyone tell you otherwise. You deserve happiness and you deserve success. Keep that attitude and never give up until you reach your destination. 11. Inspire others. Serve as an inspiration to others by refusing to give up. Who knows what someone else can achieve because you, yourself, have never given up and thereby inspired others not to give up. 12. You are already so close. Often, when you feel like giving up, you are so close to making a huge breakthrough. At any moment of your time, you are always just a hair's breadth away from success. Like and share this video.